So a system update is required to download this data. Okay, so we can go, all right. So what does that mean? That means we have to update our system itself. So let's go on and do that first before we can update Fortnite. Or any game for that matter. Anyways, under system preferences, so system settings, let's scroll all the way down. And right here we're gonna see system. System update will be your first option. Just go right into it, preparing system to update. We're gonna update it, press OK. It will restart. And usually these updates are pretty fast. So there we go, update complete, system will restart. We're gonna see a black screen. Then again, we should see this screen popping up. Just press A to start. So we're gonna tap right there. And here we go. Right now I can see that Fortnite is actually updating by itself. And any other ones would be updating by themselves. But again, we can always tap on that plus sign. Go into software update. Then right here, we're gonna see that it's in fact downloading right now. So let's just go back, tap on Fortnite itself, and then we're gonna see this, downloading data. I should also mention never to press start software. That can create glitches and you cannot start the software before updating it. You can also see download options. If I tap there, I can see cancel download. So if anything bad happens, I could cancel it, re-download it, or I can just go back. In this case, we're just gonna go back. If at any point you have any problems, just restart your console, which is this Nintendo Switch. We can also even delete Fortnite if it gets stuck at any point in time, which it won't, but if it happens, it happens. We can just delete it, reinstall it, and then we're good to go. You don't lose any of your skins or anything like that because everything's backed up online. So your account is online. So technically, my account here on my Nintendo, I can take over even on another console. So I can go into my PlayStation, Xbox, and use the exact same account with the exact same skins, which as a matter of fact, I do. Now, if you would like this download to happen faster, you can. You can make it happen a little faster. You could hook up your Nintendo Switch on the dock to your router directly using an Ethernet cable. That would speed things up. Or hey, it's a Nintendo Switch. Just take it closer to your router and then it should run a bit faster. But for now, we do have to wait that 1 hour for me at least. I have to wait 1 hour and then we're gonna be just done with this update. Alright, so I should mention that this downloading progress, it will be different for some people. Some may have a slightly bigger file, others might have a significantly smaller file. So right now it's at 99%, which is almost done. We're just a minute away. And then Fortnite should just start up by itself, but it doesn't. We can just tap on it to start up. I also want to comment that some people stop playing when they're charging their Nintendo Switch, but you actually can play while charging, so you don't have to wait until it's fully charged. Same thing with this update. Anyways, right now we're just gonna go on and press to start, and here we go. Everything should be starting as normal. So right now we should see a connecting screen, and we can just press A to start. We're gonna log in, and that's it. Right now we should see this. Of course, we have to see the trailer. We can skip it though, so just hold on to B and you can skip it. So if you've seen it already on YouTube or anything like that, I uploaded it as well, then you can go ahead and skip it. Again, all we have to do is just hold on to B and it's gonna skip it so we can get down to playing. Right here we're gonna see this, just go back and we're done. This is it. That's it for this update. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.